AI SEO is literally a gold mine right now. Any freelancer or agency who wants to start providing AI SEO services or any business who uses AI SEO to attract customers will be making a lot of money in this new AI era. Because today, people don't just search on Google anymore. They actually ask ChatGPT, Gemini or even Claude about it. Think about it. If someone asks ChatGPT best tools for digital marketing or best agency for social media and your brand is not mentioned, you basically don't exist. And the scary part is that most businesses don't even know whether they are showing up on the answers of these AI chatbots or not. That's why in this video, I will tell you how you as a freelancer, agency or business can leverage tools like Semrush One to boost your AI SEO and AI discovery. Special thanks to Semrush for partnering with me in this video. And now let's talk about how you can leverage Semrush and AI SEO to make your business viral. But first, let's talk about what exactly is AI SEO. Earlier, search was very simple. You simply typed some keywords, Google will show you 10 links and you simply try to rank on the first page. But now AI tools don't show links first, they show you the answers. And inside those answers, some brands get mentioned, some get ignored, some get framed positively and some not so much. This means that visibility today is not about do I even rank, it's about does AI even know that I exist and what exactly is it saying about me. And this is exactly where traditional SEO tools start falling apart and AI SEO comes into the picture. AI SEO is not about ranking pages, it's about whether AI tools mention your brand, how often they mention it, in what context and how you compare to your competitors. So basically, you are not optimizing for Google bots anymore, you're optimizing for AI brains. And until recently, this whole thing was completely invisible, but that is where Semrush One comes into the picture. Today, search is happening at two places at the same time. First is traditional search engines like Google and second is AI discovery engines like ChatGPT and Gemini. And Semrush One is built to handle both the worlds together. It combines the Semrush SEO toolkit, which helps you win on Google, with the AI visibility toolkit, which shows you how your brand appears inside AI generated answers. Semrush One is designed to help you win every search, not just on Google, but across Google Search, ChatGPT, Gemini, Bing AI, and other AI discovery engines also. Inside Semrush One, the SEO toolkit helps you understand keywords, rankings, and competitors on Google, while the AI visibility toolkit shows you how your brand is being picked up and described by the AI platforms. Think of it as a command center that combines Semrush's strongest SEO tools with next-gen AI search visibility features. And instead of guessing how AI sees your brand, you get the real data. And ever since ChatGPT launched, consumers were making decisions based on the AI answers and the brands had no idea about what is going on behind the scene. But Semrush One fixes that for businesses. It shows you where your brand appears, where it doesn't, what AI says about you, and how competitors are winning those mentions. So let me break down the most important features of Semrush One, but in a practical way. The first powerful feature is visibility overview, and this basically gives you a snapshot of how your website and your competitor's website appears in the AI generated answers. And this is based on a database of millions of real AI prompts. So instead of guessing, are people asking this, you actually see what prompts people are using, how AI responds, and which brands are being mentioned. And for the first time now, you can actually see how AI is actually talking about a brand and what it mentions, and this data never existed before. Next feature is prompt tracking, and this is where things get really interesting. You can actually track specific prompts like best X tools, X versus Y, or affordable X for startups. And you can actually see on a daily basis whether your brand is being mentioned, how often it is being mentioned, and in what context. And this is insanely useful if you are a founder, you run an agency, you sell any service, or you are trying to build a personal brand. Because now you can literally track whether you are winning or losing inside the AI answers. The third feature is the AI search report. And this one is definitely a little technical, but I would highly recommend you to not skip it. AI search reports highlight technical issues, crawling problems, and accessibility issues. And these problems can actually stop AI models from reading your website, understanding your content, or even referencing it in its answers. And the logic is simple. If an AI can't read your website, it will not mention you in its answers. And this feature actually helps you in removing all these hidden blockers. And the fourth feature is my personal favorite feature, and this one is brand performance and sentiment. Semrush One doesn't just check if your brand is being mentioned, it also checks how AI describes you, the tone, whether it's positive, neutral or negative, your share of voice across important prompts, and how you compare to your competitors. So now you're not just tracking your brand visibility, you're actually tracking your perception inside the AI answers. And for marketers and founders like me, this is actually gold. And the fifth and the final feature is long-term tracking and trends. Semrush One connects everything with position tracking. So instead of a one-time snapshot, you can see trends over time, whether your AI visibility is improving or not, which content is helping, and where strategy needs fixing. And this is exactly what turns AI SEO from a buzzword into a repeatable system. And finally, let's understand how all of this actually makes AI SEO different from traditional SEO. Traditional SEO simply asks, do I rank higher or not? But AI SEO actually asks, how does AI understand and describe me? LLMs simply don't rank pages, they describe answers. And these answers depend on content, authority, technical clarity, and an overall digital footprint. And Semrush One fills this exact gap that classic SEO tools don't give you. Overall, I believe that tools like Semrush One help you do both. They help you stay strong on Google and also understand how AI is actually talking about you, all from a single platform. So I would highly recommend you to explore Semrush One today, understand how AI sees your brand, and start fixing the blind spots early. I have added the sign up link of Semrush One in the description. Go try it, explore it, and take the first mover's advantage right now. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, keep hustling and keep making money. Bye bye.